across the street. We are getting ready to walk into the V place in Davao City. It's up there. You can hear it. You ready? We got across the street. Big jump. So I get the ticket. Of course, you know we're going to eat. We order too much food every time we go out, and we did it again. Check it out. Too much food. I'm not doing it. Alright, so I took a bite of the soup and I thought it was a green bean, but it was a hot pepper. Like one of the hottest peppers I've ever had, and my mouth was on fire. I had to spit it out, but it's good. Everything's really good. Taste-wise. Woo! That was hot. Hot. Hold on. Hold on, sweetie. Big step. So we just left the V, what is it called, the V Rock?
V place.
All right, so we just left the V place. We're walking back. Hey, that was a cool place. If you're in Davao, you should come check it out. A lot of people there. Great singers, great performers. You can still hear them in the background. Great time to be had there. You should check it out. Hey, I'm Scott with Scott's Journeys. I hope you enjoyed this evening's video. If you did, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Take it easy. Ooh, look at that lightning.